Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and 24-hour display, so military time, on your Casio Illuminator watch. Today's model is going to be the AE 1500, and what you need to do while you are in your home screen is to press the start button. And as you can see, I am here in 6 p.m, so the 12-hour display, and now I have switched to military time, so 24-hour display. In case you are not in your home screen, you need to press the mode button until you arrive where you have the time and date displayed. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio AE 1500, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And also, if you enjoy these types of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to be subscribed, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.